Welcome to my channel. I brought you some interesting topic to explore this time. Let's explore together. Let's begin. Travelers, have you ever found yourself struggling with outdated gadgets that just don't cut it anymore? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have travel gadgets for 2024 that are guaranteed to revamp your travel experience. From keeping your devices charged to staying connected in the most remote locations, we've got you covered. So, why is this important? In today's fast-paced world, staying equipped with the latest tech can make or break your travel experience. Let's get into it and find out which gadgets will make your travels smoother, safer, and more enjoyable this coming year. Number 10, solar-powered backpack. Gone are the days when your phone would die in the middle of a hike. The solar-powered backpack not only stores your items, but charges them too. With its weatherproof design, you can keep hiking while your gadgets get juiced up by the sun. Imagine never running out of battery while capturing those breathtaking views. Number 9. Universal Travel Adapter with USB-C. This isn't just any travel adapter. Equipped with USB-C, it guarantees fast charging for devices, making it perfect for the modern traveler. It's compact, slim, and supports outlets from over 150 countries. No more carrying multiple adapters or worrying about compatibility. Number 8. Portable Water Purifier Bottle. Stay hydrated and safe no matter where you are. This bottle purifies water from streams, taps, and lakes in minutes, removing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Ideal for adventurers who wander off the beaten path but still want to stay healthy. Number 7. Compact Travel Drone. Capture your travels from a bird's-eye view with this lightweight, foldable drone. Its high-resolution camera and intuitive controls make it perfect for beginners and pros alike. You'll bring back home not just memories but breathtaking aerial footage. Number 6. Smart Suitcase. This isn't just luggage, it's your travel assistant. With features like GPS tracking, remote locking, and built-in scales, say goodbye to lost or overweight baggage. Plus, its USB charging ports keep your devices powered up on the go. Number 5. Noise-canceling wireless earbuds. Transform any noisy environment into a personal oasis. Whether you're on a plane or in a busy cafe, these earbuds help you focus or relax with your favorite tunes, uninterrupted. Their compact design and long battery life make them a travel essential. Number 4. Portable Language Translator Device. Break down language barriers with this handheld translator. It supports over 100 languages and provides real-time translations, making every interaction smooth. From asking for directions to making new friends, it's your key to unlocking new experiences. Number 3. Wearable Sleep Aid. Jet lag can be a thing of the past with this innovative device. It uses light therapy to adjust your body clock, helping you adapt to new time zones faster. Perfect for frequent flyers who need to stay refreshed and alert. Number 2. Handheld Luggage Scale. Avoid last-minute baggage fees with this digital scale. It's small enough to fit in any bag and accurate enough to save you from check-in surprises. A must-have for anyone looking to travel smart and light. Number 1. Smart Security Wallet. Keep your personal information safe with this RFID blocking wallet. Not only does it protect against electronic pickpocketing, but it also comes with a built-in tracker. Lose your wallet? Just use your phone to find it in seconds. Outro. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 travel gadgets for 2024 that are set to change the way you explore the world. Remember, the right gadget can enhance your travel experience, keep you safe, and even help you make the most of every adventure. So, what do you think? Which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tech trends. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring with the latest in travel tech by your side. Safe travels! Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for latest updates.